Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Al Munir High School e-learning system. Okay, KG class. Today we are going to learn vocabulary with G and H on the page number 9 of your Al Hira vocabulary workbook. Here we have vocabulary with G. G, G. The sound of G is G, G. G, G, girl. G, G, girl. G, G, goat. G, G, girl. G, G, goat. Read it again. G, G, girl. G, G, goat. G, G, girl. G, G, goat. Simple sentences. Use of that in sentences. Here we are using that in the sentences, and there are some rules to write the sentences. So let's read what are the rules. Use capital letter in the beginning of the sentence and put full stop at the end of the sentence. This is the first rule to write a sentence. We always write capital letter in the beginning of the sentence. As you can see in this sentence, that we are using capital letter in the beginning of the sentence and put full stop at the end of the sentence, and we put full stop. You can see this is the full stop which we put at the end of the sentence, and we use a with words starting with consonants, and we use a with words which starts with consonants. And what are the consonants? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. These are the consonants, and we use A with all these consonants. And here we have the consonant G, and here we have consonant G. G, G. That is a goat. That is a goat. And you can see in this sentence we write capital letter at the beginning of the sentence and we put full stop at the end of the sentence, and we are using here A with the consonant. So remember all these steps which are very helpful for you to write a sentence. That is a goat. That is a goat. The next sentence is that is a girl. That is a girl. And you can see we are following all the rules which we read in last page. And what are the rules? We write capital letter at the beginning of the sentence, we put full stop at the end of the sentence, and we are using A with the consonant letters, and we are using A with the words which are starting with consonant letters. So read this sentence again. That is a girl. That is a girl. Now here we have vocabulary with H. H, her. What is the sound of H? H, her. H, her hat. H, her horse. H, her hat. H, her horse. And you can see H is also a consonant. H is also a consonant. And when we use that in sentence with the consonant words, with those words which start with the consonant, we use a with the consonant words. Okay, so write the sentence using with that. That is a hat. And don't forget to follow the rules which we read before. The first letter should be write in capital letter. The first letter in the beginning of some sentence should be in capital, and we should put full stop at the end of the sentence. And remember this, the words which start with consonants, we use with them a. The words which start with consonant, we use with them a. So the sentence, that is a hat. That is a hat. The next sentence is horse. That is a horse. The next sentence is about horse. That is a horse. The first letter is capital. Here the full stop at the end of the sentence, and a with the consonant words. So read it again. That is a horse. That is a horse. Now read all these sentences with me. That is a goat. That is a goat. That is a girl. That is a girl. That is a hat. That is a hat. That is a horse. That is a horse. And read again. That is a goat. That is a girl. That is a hat. That is a horse. And you can see we are using a in all these sentences because all the words goat, girl, hat and horse starting with consonant. And we are writing capital letter at the beginning of the sentence. You can see in all these sentences we write capital letter in the beginning of the sentence, and we put full stop at the end of the sentence. You can see we put full stop at end of the all sentences. So you have to follow the rules while writing the sentences. Clear? So make practice of these sentences and learn these sentences. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.